This is how you're going to fix the verify you are human page from Cloudflare. So step one is you're going to wait or refresh. Sometimes the verify you are human page is just temporary. So what you're going to do is you're just going to wait for a few seconds and then you're going to refresh the page from the top right here. You can see this refresh icon. So you're just going to refresh the page. And then step two is you're going to clear your browser cache or cookies. So in your browser settings, so you're just going to head over to this three dots right here. And then you're going to click on settings. And then from here, we are going to find the privacy and security. And then we're going to click on delete browsing data. And then we're going to click on clear cache, delete data, and all of that stuff. And then after that, we are going to head back to Cloudflare and then we're going to reload the page. Now, another thing that we can do is to turn off VPN or proxy if we are using it. So if you have a VPN or proxy on, just make sure to disable it because Cloudflare sometimes flags those. Step four is you're going to make sure that your IP isn't blocked. So if you tried many times or using automated tools, Cloudflare may have flagged your IP. So you can try from a different network instead. Now, for step five, we're going to contact website owner or support. So if nothing works, you're going to contact the site that you're trying to visit and maybe their Cloudflare challenge settings are too strict. So from here, you're just going to click on support at the top and then click on get help and then just send an email on what you're currently facing. And that's it. That is how you're going to fix the verify your human page from Cloudflare. If you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.